Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two accounting software platform, which is the Puzzle.io and the Quicken. So to get started with a quick overview, Puzzle.io is a modern accounting platform built for startup and tech forward businesses. It emphasizes automation, real-time sync with financial tools, and investors ready reporting ideas for high growth companies needing a gap compliant books. Talking about Quicken on the other side is a long-standing personal finances and small business accounting solution that blends budgeting, bills tracking, and investment management. It's primarily geared towards solopreneur and individual managing both businesses and personal finances. And here's what this platform are both good for. So talking about Puzzle.io, it is good for startups and SaaS business seeking automated real-time accounting with investor grade reporting. And talking about the Quicken on the other side, this platform is best for individual landlords and solo entrepreneur managing personal and small business finances together. And here's the overall conclusion. Choose Puzzle.io if you want or you are running a startup and need a powerful automation, clean financial and scalability for audit and fundraising. On the other side, you can simply choose Quicken if you are managing personal and business finances together or need a small solution for rental or freelance income. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms.